Right, more magiswords! Let's get started! Tonight, we're gonna start with the fish head magisword. I really don't know what this magisword does. But I think this one can create skeletons of actual fish. It's true. I can tell by its skeletal structure. Got that. Now let's draw the flashlight magisword. Got that. Now let's draw the fossil magisword. Alexa, what is a fossil?
As a noun, fossil can have a few meanings. 1. Any remains, impression, or trace of a living thing of a former geologic age, as a skeleton, footprint, etc. 2. A markedly outdated or old-fashioned person or thing. 3. A linguistic form that is archaic except in certain restricted contexts, as nonce in for the nonce, or that follows a rule or pattern that is no longer productive, as the sentence so be it.
There. This next one is called the bus stop magisword. Here we go. Forget it. I don't think I'm gonna have time to do the bus stop magisword. We're almost out of time. But, so far I've only done 3 magiswords so far. Unless, of course, the brick magisword might be enough. Let me see if I can get this done. Before I'm almost out of time. Alexa, what are bricks?
Here is what I found. According to Wikipedia, a brick is a type of block used to build walls, pavements and other elements in masonry construction. Properly, the term brick denotes a block composed of dried clay, but is now also used informally to denote other chemically cured construction blocks.
There!
Bricks can be joined
That's how
together
you draw the
using
brick
mortar,
magisword.
adhesives, or by interlocking them.
I think that sums up this episode. That's how you draw the brick magisword, along with all the other magiswords that I drew. Consider this thing a gift. My SD card is almost